friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny, and today I am coming back to you with my page kit here for the my Kit Love series, where I am playing with an old click kit sometime last year, and I will link the video where I kind of show you my supplies. Today, this is very unlike me. I'm just winging it. The only thing I knew is that I definitely wanted, I had these two pieces of paper paired up together in a full sheet, and I am going to be doing a double page layout. So I have gone ahead and trimmed these down to 11, and these are, I want to say this is 6 by 11, this top, and then this is 4 by 11. So I am going to probably maybe use some washi, maybe use some paper strips here, and create a double page layout. So let's see what we come up with. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm back. So I have just about finished this layout, and I just wanted to pop in here and just kind of walk you guys through. I have gone ahead and, as I mentioned in the previous clip, it just took these two different, these two pattern papers, and I've gone ahead and I mentioned the dimensions in the previous clip. So I've just gone through and found an ink very similar to this of the branches to ink basically all of the papers except for the mats. I didn't do the mats or the embellishments. So let me just walk through from place to place. So I'm trying to remember if any of these, I think these are all from my stash. Everything related to everything in the title to the embellishment cluster are all from my color bins. This is an old Maggie Holmes. If you ever had that sticker book from Maggie Holmes, that's where that is from. And these are just some things from my stash. I don't even know where they're from. This is from the kit, and so all of the floral clusters are from the kit, as well as this typewriter. This banner here, it's just a sticker from my color binder. These two little tabs here, the viewfinder, and this is Nicole Jones 911. Extremely happy with all of the purchases I've done through her for her digital files. They've been awesome. So this is more from my color binder. This is from the kit. These obviously from the kit. This is also, oh, I don't remember who. This is just a clear sticker. I went ahead, backed it on white, and I just trimmed that and just put a little pop of green so that there's a little pop of green in every cluster, and because it's mostly yellow and pink. So I went ahead and I knew I wanted to concentrate on having these three photos be, and this one actually of me and my husband, be kind of the predominant photos, and then these are smaller ones that I had as part of just the other photos that were taken that day. So this ended up using quite a bit of the collection. I will just pop in here and just show you what I have left. I still have to put the centers. I just glued these down, but I got a minute to kind of just walk you through it. So I thought I would do that. But in the final photos, you'll see that there will be some kind of centers there. I'm thinking probably pearls, but I'm not 100% sure. So let me set those off to the side here. These are the things that I brought in. So there's quite a bit. I didn't use the thickers that came with the kit, or I used a couple of letters, not that much. These are the scraps. So this is from my stash. So I'll set that aside. So is this white. Here's some washi tape that I backed. I didn't end up using, but the rest of the scraps here are from, this is what's left from the collection. I do have, sorry, like I gotta move my snacks here. these are the only 2 sheets. Sorry for that. And then this blue is what's left from the kit. So that's a wrap up. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching and seeing these two-page layouts completed for now. I hope you'll come back, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.